So we just bought a Toyota RAV4 and we found out it does not come with any floor mats. So we purchased these from Yita Motor. So you actually get 3 mats. You get one for the driver's seat, one for the passenger, and one long one for the back seat. So it was super easy to install these. It literally only took just a few seconds to install each mat. You want to make sure on the driver's side that you install the mat over these grooves, over these holes, so that you can lock it in place. This will prevent the mat from slipping or sliding on the driver's side, and it won't interfere with the brake or the gas. Notice how it's locked in place now. I really love how the floor mat aligns perfectly with the driver's side of the RAV4. This floor mat actually looks like it came with the RAV4. It has a very sturdy surface and it looks like it's very, very durable. And the same goes for the passenger side. It aligned perfectly on that side. Everything was flush. It was easy to install. There are no holes or circles to worry about on the passenger side since there is no brake or gas. The back seat mat also only took a few seconds to install as well. The back mat also looks like it was a part of the vehicle. Everything aligns perfectly. Even over that middle divider, it just looks like it was a part of the vehicle to begin with. So I highly recommend these floor mats if you have a RAV4. They have several different kinds for each year, so definitely check them out.